standard protocol of the internet is dash. The correct answer is A, that is TCP/IP. So the full form of TCP and IP is Transmission Control Protocol, and IP is Internet Protocol, and is a suite of communication protocols used to interconnect network devices on the internet. Which of the following is the name of India's space launching vehicle? The correct answer is C, that is PSLV. So PSLV is Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. Right now we are having one more launching vehicle, that is GSLV. GSLV stands for Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle. Who has developed the technology of the ground nuclear explosion? The correct answer is A, that is Dr. Homi J. Bhabha. Which city became the first South Asian city to launch the Climate Action Plan in September 2021? The correct answer is B, that is Mumbai. So Mumbai announced its detailed framework to zero out carbon emission by 2050 and became the first city in South Asia to set such a target. MICR technology used for clearance of checks by banks refers to? The correct answer is A, that is magnetic ink character recognition. So this technology used mainly by the banking industry to streamline the processing and clearing of checks and other documents. Dash, a 1-hour slot on Doordarshan National Channel, is an initiative by the Department of Science and Technology along with Doordarshan Prasar Bharati. So the correct answer is A, that is DD Science. Seismography is the science of? The correct answer is B, that is earthquakes. Seismology is the science of earthquake and studies the cause and effect from minute pulsations to the most catastrophic natural phenomenon inside Earth. Where was the world's highest EV charging station that was developed by GoEgo Network recently inaugurated? The correct answer is C, that is Kaza. So this ride was launched from Manali to Kaza with 2 TVS iQube electric scooters to celebrate World Zero Emission Day on 21st September 2021. Who among the following has been officially named by the IEEE as one of the fathers of radio science and a Carter on moon named after him? The correct answer is B, that is Jagdish Chandra Bose. He considered to be the father of Bengali science fiction, and he led the foundation of experimental science in the Indian subcontinent and the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. The branch of science that deals with the study of insects is called? The correct answer is B, entomology. It is a branch of zoology dealing with the scientific study of insects. Who discovered ultraviolet rays? The correct answer is A, that is Johann Wilhelm Ritter. Ritter was the creator of modern electrochemistry also. Who among the following launched the Citizens Telelaw smartphone app? The correct answer is A, Mr. Kiran. Xi'an 11 is the latest satellite launched by which of the following countries? The correct answer is B, that is China. Starship prototype rocket SN10 was successfully tested by which of the following? The correct answer is D, Space 10. Which country hosted the International Climate Summit in September 2021? The correct answer is A, that is India. It was held on 3rd September 2021. And Norway participated as country partner and knowledge partner. India's largest floating solar PV plant was started by Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, that is BHEL, recently in which state? The correct answer is C, that is Andhra Pradesh. It is located at NTPC Simhadri in Andhra Pradesh, and the 25 megawatt floating SPV project covers an area of 100 acres. Who among the following won the Earthshot Prize under Clean Our Air category? The correct answer is B, Vidyut Mohan. Where is the Central Food Technology Research Institute situated? The correct answer is D, Mysore. So it was established in 21st October 1950 in Mysore, Karnataka. And its resource centers are in Hyderabad, Lucknow and Mumbai. Scientists have planned a project of recreating old smells. What is that project called? The correct answer is C, Audioropa. This project involves scientists and experts from a wide range of areas including history, art, language, chemistry and computer technology. And European Union gave $3.3 million to spend over the next 3 years researching smell and trying to recreate them. Optical fibers are based on the phenomenon of, the correct answer is D, that is total internal reflection. Optical fibers operate based on the principle of total internal reflection, phenomenon that occurs at the interface between the core and the cladding, provided that the angle of the incident light inside the core is higher than the angle called a critical angle. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you. All the best.